How to refresh your Instagram search page or explore page. Follow these easy steps to easily refresh this search or explore page on your Instagram. And the steps will be similar for Android and iPhone users. So here is no hidden settings you can use to refresh your Instagram search page. So all you have to need to refresh your explore page, follow these 3 steps. In first steps, we will clear our search histories. So go to your profile, tap on the menu icon, tap on settings and privacy, tap on the search box and type here search and tap on search history. And here tap on clear all searches and select all time, tap on clear all searches and this will clear all of your search histories. And in second steps, go to your Instagram profile again and tap on the menu icon at the top right and now tap on your activity and here tap on likes. And here you will find Instagram like histories. Now you have to unlike all of these posts and reels. So open post one by one and remove likes from the post. That's how you have to remove likes from all posts. And in last steps, tap on the search icon and you will jump into your explore page. And in this page, if you are seeing posts you don't like on your explore page, there's an easy way to tweak the algorithm to see better results. All you have to need, choose any photo or video that contains something you would rather not see on your explore page. And then tap on these 3 dots and here select not interested. This will hide the selected post or reel from your search page and instructs Instagram to show you less of that type of content. That's how you have to repeat the process for the post to refine your explore page. So continue to find unwanted posts and reels and label them as not interested. Over time, this work should tailor your Instagram Explore page to more closely match your interested and needs. That's how you will be able to refresh your Instagram Explore page or search page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.